Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Genesis, the July teaser. My apologies for being 3 days late, but here we go. Tuesday the 1st of July. Money goes straight to the head of a bidding star, while another star gets rejected by fans. How long will Gabriel stick it out in the Tabete home? Wednesday the 2nd of July. An unwanted guest finally leaves the Tabete home. Bishop intervenes and stops Bonko's woes. Wendy assigns Mpumi a huge responsibility. Thursday the 3rd of July. Before something extraordinary happens, everything falls apart. A mother feels like a failure when her daughter comes back home. A young bidding star fears that his shoes are too big to fill. Friday the 4th of July. A desperate gamble brings hope to a crumbling empire. A powerful truth shatters a woman's world, while redemption is expensive. Monday the 7th of July. Joanna is thrown off the boat. Ishmael crosses a line he will never be able to uncross. Mpumi's kind gesture goes unnoticed. Tuesday the 8th of July. Nobuhle learns the hard way when she tries to defend Ishmael's honor. A disgraced star has a meltdown. Genesis finally trends in a positive light. Wednesday the 9th of July. Bonko deals Marona, a card that throws her into a total tailspin. Ishmael fails to make the big move. Gabriel finds himself fighting a battle he did not envisage. Or is it envisage? Oh, Bazalani English here. But let's continue. Tuesday the 10th of July. Marona confronts her demons by giving up her destructive means of escape to return to her sacred roots. Meanwhile, Nobuhle draws Ishmael into an intimate encounter that could change everything between them. Friday the 11th of July. As Gabriel faces an unexpected twist that shakes his belief, Nobuhle seeks comfort in Ishmael amid growing family tensions. Monday the 14th of July. The road to stardom grows thorny for Ishmael, and he reaches out to the devil. Oh my word. Marona returns to her roots, while Felicia splits her uterus in half. Tuesday the 15th of July. Temptation takes hold as a risky choice, leading to souring highs and sleepless nights. A mother fights to protect her child, while a live performance shakes up the faith of many. Wednesday the 16th of July. Ishmael crosses another line. And we're so happy for him. And he'll never be able to uncross. Marona gets another slap in the face, and a mother hears her fragile son's cries. Tuesday the 17th of July. Felicia makes a decision that might harm Genesis in the long run. Bonko provides a ruling over Marona and Gabriel's embarrassing moment. Ishmael makes a bold move. Friday the 18th of July. An unsettling shift takes hold as Ishmael captivates the audience with his performance. Wendy seizes the moment, pouring exaggerated praise on someone to make a disgraced gospel star jealous. Monday 21st of July. Evil lurks in the shadows of Ishmael's success. Wendy finds a new horse to bet on. Oh, Uncle Sam, who's the horse now? A fallen gospel star, hope is renewed when they learn about an upcoming life-changing event. I think that's Marona, right? Tuesday, the 22nd of July. Felicia offers a mother's love. Felicia's offers a mother's love to which child? I'm not sure. Tensions rise over a duet proposal, and betrayal looms secretly comes to light. Oh, we all know that now. That's Ishmael, right? It's his turn to go Wisha. Wednesday, the 23rd of July. A new day has come for a nobody who has been in the shadows for too long. A rejected woman, driven by her hurt emotionally, finally chooses herself. Thursday, the 24th of July. Nobutle's world turned upside down when she discovers a shocking secret about the person she cares about the most. A sister abandons her siblings for a chance at a new beginning. Friday, the 25th of July. Ghosts from Ishmael's past crowd his vision. Marona seizes her moment with a major rooftop deal. And Mpumi stuns Gabriel with a pitch that promises to change everything. Monday, the 28th of July. Ishmael faces the music. Felicia needs God-given answers. Mpumi seizes the moment and takes the bull by its horn. Thursday, the 29th of July. Ishmael's relationship with Nobuhle is exposed, while Gabriel celebrates Genesis' woes. Mpumi continues to hide her secret deal from Marona, Mpumi, and Msizi grapples with what he's done. Oh, Zizobuyala. Wednesday, the 30th of July. Felicia's attempt to control Ishmael's future backfires. Fisto uncovers a dark truth about Ishmael's downfall. Nobuhle takes a bold stand, shifting the balance of power. Where Baba? For Indot. All in the name of Indota. Thursday, the 31st of July. Genesis' train comes off the tracks. Gabriel works his magic on Mpumi. Msizi is served what he deserves. Now, Genesis premiere episodes air on Mzansi Magic from Monday to Friday at 19:30. Make sure you are tuned in. I am personally not happy with Ishmael being distracted. Ugai lived impilo enzima for a very long while, and now he deserves to have a nice life. But this is a storyline, and we need to also be on our feet all the time. Do you think Ishmael's future is ending this month, or is there hope? Like, share, subscribe, but most of all, please watch some of our old videos. Thank you. This is your girl, Disebeti. I love you. Peace. Bye.